Thank you all for joining us today in this exciting occasion. On behalf of Sunlight Air, I'm thrilled to welcome you as we officially introduce the newest addition to our fleet, the most successful regional turboprop by far, the ATR 72-600. When we set out to expand our fleet, we weren't just looking for another aircraft. We were looking for a platform that aligned with our mission to offer boutique, sustainable, heartfelt flying experience tailored for the Philippine traveler. The ATR 72-600 stood out for all the right reasons. Its proven reliability and efficiency in regional operations make it a trusted choice for all airlines around the world. It's perfectly suited to our unique geography, a nation of over 7,000 islands, many of which are served by short runways that simply would not be able to reach. Most importantly, the ATR allows us to bring comfort, efficiency, and responsibility together in one beautiful package. Let us take a closer look at the aircraft itself. The ATR 72-600 is a modern turboprop featuring a maximum seating capacity of 72 seats, though we've reconfigured ours for extra comfort, reducing the seats to only 68. State-of-the-art avionics that reduce pilot workloads and enhances overall safety. A reputation of fuel economy and operational flexibility that's unmatched in its class. In real-world performance, the ATR delivers exactly what we need. Short takeoff and landing performance. This is ideal for the island hopping across the Philippines. Fuel efficiency, of course, that reduces both cost and carbon emission. A flexible payload range that helps us serve diverse destinations from tourism hotspots to emerging regional hubs. Whether you're flying to a white sand beach or back home to the province, this aircraft is designed to get you there smoothly and safely. Now let's talk about the passenger experience, because this is where engineering meets brand philosophy. At Sunlight Air, we don't believe that flying should be stressful or cramped. So we've taken up ATR 72-600 and added our own touches. Fewer seats, as I mentioned, 68 only. This means more legroom so you can stretch out and relax. Advanced noise insulation for a quieter cabin. Optimized airflow and modern LED lights, we call these mood lights. This is to make the interior feel bright, fresh, and relaxing. And of course, our fresh cabin interiors reflect Sunlight Air's boutique charm. Warm, inviting, and unmistakably Filipino. Behind the scenes, our engineering maintenance team ensures every flight meets the highest standards of safety and performance. Airworthiness is ensured by the strict adherence to Philippine Civil Aviation Regulations, PCAR Part 5 and PCAR Part 9 regulations. Our maintenance program is carried out by Sunlight Airways Aviation, we call it CAV. Our principal AMO, duly approved under PCAR Part 6. We're backed by ATR GMA, a global network supply for technical support and parts. And our certified engineers conduct daily line maintenance, ensuring your aircraft is as ready as your next story. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword for us, it's a commitment. The ATR burns 45% less fuel than regional jet on the same route. In terms of fuel consumption per seat, the ATR 72-600 consumes about 2.8 liters per 100 kilometers per seat. Its turboprop is designed and optimized for short-haul, low-emission flying. and with lower carbon dioxide emission. We are proud that we are doing our part for a greener future, of course without compromising on comfort and safety. None of this would be possible without the incredible team that brought this aircraft from UK all the way here in the Philippines. From the engineers and mechanics who prepared for delivery, let's give a warm round of applause for Cesar Benedict Ras, Juan Mercader, Nicolay Serrano, Nora Albanos, they take the stage. Thank you, gentlemen, you did a wonderful job. To our partners at ATR, Jetstream Aviation Capital, Blueberry Aviation, Airborne Colors, Exeter Aerospace, and the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, and of course AF Aviation, the Season Flight 2 who ferried the aircraft home across thousands of nautical miles. We're honored to work with such dedicated professionals. This aircraft is not just a machine, it's a reflection for their hard work and excellence. Thank you, gentlemen. This aircraft is built to connect and engineered to inspire. With precision engineering and passion for flight, the ATR 72-600 is more than an aircraft. It's the heart of Sunlight Air story across the Philippine skies. To everyone here today, thank you for your continued support of Sunlight Air. We can't wait to welcome you on board. Thank you.